Hi, I'm going to talk about two fertilizer company from two different countries. The two companies are Sabic Agri Nutrients Company and the remaining was Yara International Company. Sabic Agri Nutrients Company is a significant player in the fertilizer industry. It supplies customers throughout the Middle East, Far East, Africa, uh, and the US with a wide variety of agri-nutrients products from general to highly specific, helping address the world's ever-growing demands for food. And on the other hand, Yara is a global leader in crop nutrition, ammonia, essential industries solutions. Yara's mission is to responsibly feed the world and protect the planet. We are working to for food, shipping, and other energy intensive in the industries. Sabic Agri-Nutrients Company is a Saudi Arabia based company which was founded in 1965. The company has two segments like petrochemicals and agri-nutrients. The company's products include urea, ammonia, phosphate, and compound fertilizer, various type of chemical fertilizer, and a portfolio of nitrogen based inorganic products. Yara International Company is a Norway-based company which was founded in 1905. The company has six segments: Europe, Americas, Africa, and Asia, global plans and operational excellence, industrial solution, and clean ammonia. Yara International company's products offering includes Yara Vita, Garmi, Etel, multi-nutrient products for a balanced supply of nutrients to grains, Yarabella, and ammonia, and ammonium nitrate with calcium, magnesium. Now I'm going to talk about the price history of these two company, Yara International company's price history and Sabic Agri Nutrients company's price history. Here is the closing and opening share price of Sabic Agri Nutrients company. The company's closing hash price was 34.77 GBP in 2021, and the opening highest was 38.86 in 2022. On the other hand, the closing lowest price of this company was 15.58 in 2019, and the opening lowest was 15.11 GBP in 2020. Here is the last 5 years high and low price of Sabic Agri Nutrients company. The company's highest price was 44.53 in 2020, and the lowest share price was 11.31 GBP, which was happened in 2020. Here is the price history of Yara International company. The closing highest price of the company was 37.35 GBP, and the opening highest price was 38.23 in 2021 and 2022 respectively. On the other hand, the closing lowest price of this company is 27.99 GBP in 2023, and the opening lowest price was 27.006 GBP in 2019. Here is the last 5 years high and low price of Yara International company. The highest price of the company highest share price of the company was 42.68 GBP in 2022, and the lowest price was 22.43 GBP in 2020. Now I'm going to compare their closing share price of these two company. Both Sabic Agri Nutrients company and Yara International company's closing highest price was in 2021, which was 34.77 GBP and 37.9 GBP respectively. and the lowest closing price of Yara International Company was 87.99 GBP, and the lowest closing price of Sabic Agri Nutrients Company is 15.58 GBP in 2019. Here is the comparison of highest and lowest price of these two company. Yara International and Sabic Agri Nutrients companies highest price was in 42.68 GBP and 44.53 GBP in 2022. And similarly, both companies' lowest price was in 2020 22.43 GBP for Yara International Company and 11.31 GBP for Sabic Agri Nutrients Company. Here is the gross profit of these two company, Sabic Agri Nutrients companies and Yara International Company. 2022 is the year when the both company, Yara International and Sabic Agri Nutrients companies gross profit was highest, which was 5,583,000,000 for Yara International Company and 11,187,000,000 for Sabic Agri Nutrients Company. And Yara International Company's lowest price, lowest gross profit was 2,318,000,000 in 2023, and Sabic Agri Nutrients Company's lowest profit was 1,665,000,000 in 2020 when the corona pandemic was happened. Here is the operating profit before non-recurring income and expenses of this two company. It is clear that the Sabic Agri Nutrients Company's operating profit is higher than the Yara International Company. The company's highest operating profit was 2022 3,790,000,000 for Yara International Company and 10,294,000,000 for Sabic Agri Nutrients Company. On the other hand, the lowest operating profit of Sabic Agri Nutrients Company in 2019, which was 1,328,000,000, and the Yara's lowest operating profit was only 534 million in 2023. Here is the evaluation of these two companies' profitability in relation to international natural gas commodity market prices. From the beginning of the period, the gas price was low. The price was increased gradually from 2021 to 2022. After the 2022, the price was increased dramatically until 2023. In terms of Sabic Agri Nutrients Company, their highest net margin was 58% in 2021 when the natural gas price was increasing, and they show their lowest margin in 2023 when the prices of natural gas dropped down. On the other hand, Yara International Company's net margin from 2019 to 2021, it was below 10%. The company reached its peak 11% in 2022 when the natural gas price was high. It is noticeable that both companies' lowest margin was 2023 because at the end of the year 2022, the price of natural gas was decreased. And now I'm going to talk about the finding and outlook on the future of their industry profit, Yara International Companies and Sabic Agri Nutrients Companies' future profit. There are some key factors of companies' future profit, Sabic Agri Nutrients Companies' future profit. There are global fertilizer demand, commodity prices, and geopolitical risk. Now I'm analyzes those three key factors. First one is global fertilizer demand. Sabic's Sabic Agri Nutrients Company's fertilizer business is closely tied to global cultural demand. with the growth in food demand and the need for higher crop productivity, and the companies benefits from a larger customer base. And the second one is commodity prices. Sabic agri-nutrients companies fertilizer are heavily dependent on the cost of raw materials such as natural gas for nitrogen fertilizer and phosphate. Fluctuating feedstock cost can directly impact margin. And the third one, geopolitical risk. They faces risk from trade disruptions or regional instability, particularly in regions like the Middle East, where it is a substantial operation. Here are some also key factors for future profit for Yara International company. There are global demand fertilizer, energy prices, geopolitical risks, innovation in fertilizer. I'm going to talk about those four key factors. First one is global demand fertilizer. As global population grow, food demand increase, leading to higher fertilizer consumption, particularly in emerging markets. Energy. Second one is energy prices. Whereas fertilizers production is energy intensive, particularly nitrogen based fertilizer, thus sensitive to fluctuations in natural gas prices. Energy prices volatility could impact margin. And third one is geopolitical risk. Global disruptions such as trade restrictions, transport challenges, or geopolitical Russia-Ukraine conflict can impact the supply of raw materials or finished products. The last one is innovation in fertilizer. Yara is investing in new technologies like digital tools for farmers. Yara's digital platform for precising farming and co-friendly and alternatives to traditional fertilizer, which can drive growth in future markets. In last, both Yara International and Sabic Agri-Nutrients have strong growth prospect driven by the long-term increase in global agricultural demand. However, their profitability will be influenced by the external factors like energy prices, regulatory changes, and supply chain risks. Yara's focus on sustainable and digital solution provides strategic adds in a market that increasingly values environmental responsibility, while Sabic's integration with its petrochemical operation offer cost advantages. Both companies are likely to see solid profit potential in the coming years, though though they must navigate external challenges like raw materials prices volatility and regulatory pressures to maintain their competitive positions. All data is collected from LSG Workspace, and few data are collected from Yahoo Finance, like international gas commodity market price graph is collected from Yahoo Finance. Otherwise, all of the data is collected from LSG Workspace. Thank you for being with me.